Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play BloodStrike on a low-end PC. First, dive into the game's graphics settings and set everything to its absolute lowest. This is your primary step for boosting performance. Next, ensure all unnecessary background applications are closed, freeing up valuable system resources. Finally, update your graphics drivers and operating system to their latest versions for optimal compatibility and speed. Now let's tweak your system settings. Disable visual effects in Windows to reduce strain on your graphics. Change your power plan to high performance for maximum processing power. You might also consider a game booster application to free up RAM. Lastly, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for smooth online gameplay, so check your network. Within BloodStrike, specific graphics tweaks can make a huge difference. Lower your resolution scaling to boost frame rates significantly. Turn off shadows and reflections entirely, as these are often resource-intensive. Reduce texture quality and anti-aliasing to their minimum settings. Only enable VSync if you are experiencing noticeable screen tearing. Otherwise, keep it off for better responsiveness. For long-term performance, regular maintenance is key. Clean your PC of dust to prevent overheating, which can throttle performance. If you have a traditional hard drive, defragment it periodically. Always monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures during gameplay to ensure they aren't running too hot. Finally, if you have less than 8 GB of RAM, an upgrade could significantly improve your experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.